Here's a quick guide on how to thread a Singer Touch and Sew Model 603E, and also how to load the bobbin. First thing we want to do is get the thread up here and put the cap on. And you're going to run it through this top hole here. Okay, then we're going to load it, run it through this, put it in the gap there, if you can. There we go. And then loop it around and run it down the side. And put it back behind there. And we're going to run it around the tensioner. So stick it through the side. And you're going to see this little metal tab, and we want to push that up and then loop the thread around this little metal piece. Okay. We're going to run it back over and loop it behind this. Okay, then now we need to run it through here. Okay. Bring it down, put it through that loop, bring it down here and run it through the back. Put it through this piece. And then you want to thread the needle front to back. Get my other hand. Okay, and then for now, leave it on top of the presser foot, and we'll load the bobbin. All right, so to load the bobbin, we have to make sure that we're in center position. We need to be all the way to the straight stitch, and then we want this not in reverse, so we don't want it, we just want it out of reverse. Okay. And to load the bobbin, make sure it's all the way empty. Load it in, and then push this down, which puts it in load mode. All right, so now take the thread, and you're just going to wrap it around one time here and hold it sturdy in place. And now push on your pedal. And once it's wrapped around a couple of times, you're just going to pull this piece out. And then you can continue to load the bobbin. Once you load the amount you want, you simply slow that back, and you're ready.